Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable recording audio when recording games with captures on your Windows 10 system. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select the gaming tile. And now select captures on the left side. And now on the right side, there should be something underneath recording audio. Change how your game and microphone are recorded. There should be something that says record audio when I record a game. You just go ahead and turn that on or off depending on your preference. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.